Hello, today I'm going to show you how to run online examination system. And now, before we do that, make sure you have installed Xampp on your PC, and make sure it's working properly. Okay, now we are going to start the Apache and the MySQL. So I'll click on start, then I'll also start the MySQL. Just waiting for the ports to appear. Okay, all right, now we have it activated. Okay, for me to run the online examination system, we must make sure that the source folder is located on your C drive, then Xampp, HT docs, and then examination. Okay, now this is what I'm talking about. You have your Xampp, click twice, or double click on Xampp, then you also do same on your HTTP doc, and then you paste it in here in this folder. So this is my source file, which is examination. Okay, all right, I'm going to go back to the Xampp Windows. So I'm going to click on the admin. So once I do that, it's going to take me to PHP my admin Windows. Okay, now what you need to do is to create a database. You need to create a database with the name quiz. Okay, you need to create a database with the name quiz. If we go back to examination folder, we are going to see the script of the database in here. Okay, so we need to create that. I've already done that already, which is this. Okay, so there's no need for me to create it again, so I'm sure you know how to do that. The steps are very simple. You can click on new, then after that you click on you type in the name of the database, and then once you do that, you create, and then you import the script that I've already shown you before, and then once you do that, you import the script. Okay, once you do that, and then you don't click on go. So once you do, okay, all right, what we need to do right now is to see how we can run the program. Okay, so I'm going to get to localhost examination. Alright, so this is the correct path. Then you hit the enter key. Okay, so our program is running optimally. Okay, now if you're a new user or student, you need to register here before you can have access to login. But if you have if you have registered before, then there's no need for you to do that again. You can just click on the login button and then you log in. But if you don't have account, then you need to log in. Okay, let's see how we can quickly create. What's your name? I'm going to say Deborah. Okay, Deborah Ikori Korisha. Then roll number, I'm going to say 8756. Sorry about that. 56045. Then gender, I'm going to say okay, let's see, female. Then the branch, if you study, I'm going to select computer science and engineering. Okay, and then username, I'm going to say Debo. Then the passwords, I'm going to enter my password. Just to be sure that what I've entered earlier is correct. Okay, now after filling the form, click on register button. Okay, all right, now we have all right, so I'm going to start by taking one of the courses. Just to show you all the reasoning, we have about 5 questions in total, and the time is 10 minutes and 10 questions. Okay, so for me to do that, I'm going to click on start. Going to click on start. All right, so as you can see, there's a timer. Okay, there's a timer here to time the students that is taking the exams. So once it counts back to 0, then you know that your time is off. Then you'll be log off automatically. Okay, so I'm going to choose the correct answer. Going to, after reading the question. Okay. So I'm going to now, once you select the correct answer, you need to click on log. All right, you need to click on log so that your answer would be registered. If you don't click on log and you just go ahead and click on the next button, your answer that you've chosen won't be registered. Okay, so I'm going to click on log to, all right, chosen the correct answer, so I'm going to next. Okay. I'm going to select this. Going to select this, then next. Then the third questions. For this, I'm going to go for B, which is false. Okay. So the fifth question, where is Nigeria located? Okay, so I'm going to say it's in West Africa. Okay, now you notice that I've been able to answer the 5 questions, and I'm left with going to go through my selections. That's what I've been able to select as my answers. I'm just going to go through it. Okay. While I'm doing that, I need to be checking my time, because if I don't finish the quiz before the time counts down to 0, then it won't be registered. Okay, so just going to go ahead and okay, I'm going to just click on finish quiz. Click yes in the text box below and press enter. So I'm just going to type yes and okay. Oh wow. Once you are through with your exams, okay, we have the total questions, which is 5, and I was able to get the correct 5 answers, and wrong answers is nil, that's 0. On attempts, I was able to attempt all the questions, and I scored 10. So now we have the detailed analysis of what I've been able to do. All right. For number 1, got the answer correctly, and on the database, the correct answer that was there is this, and I was able to choose the correct answer. So it's a detailed analysis of my exams. All right, it's amazing. So just 5 questions, just test how the system works, just to check it out. Okay, this is what I've been able to do. Verbal reasoning, the first question, the first subjects I've been able to attempt, and if I want to view the result, then I can view the result in here, then display just a page we closed earlier. Alright, you can see, click on leaderboard. Okay, alright, then sorry about that. So we need to go. Okay, now let me log out and then log in as an admin. So I'm going to log in as an admin. Okay. Add quiz. I can either disable the exams, and whenever I want, I can also enable it using the action button. Okay, add quiz. Now for the add quiz page, you need to add the title of the exams or quiz, then enter the total number of questions. If it's 10, for instance, 10 questions, 15 questions, 30 questions, as the case may be, and then in the next text field, we need to enter the we need to enter the right answers. Okay, enter the marks for the right answers. Now if you want the mark for the right answer to be probably 2, that's 2 marks for each of the questions, 2 marks for a question, then you can do that. Alright, then enter minus marks on wrong answers. You can say 2. If here is 2, then you can see here is 2, and then the time limits. Okay, you can set your time. How long do you want the exam to last? Do you want it to take up to 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours? Okay, you enter it in minutes. All right, if it's 1 hour, you can just type 60. Okay, and then you click submit. Once you're done filling this, then once you have clicked on submit, then it will take you to a page where you need to I need to show you how to do this. All right, okay, let's say quiz title, can just say demo exams. All right, demo. Alright, demo, and then total number of questions. I can say let's just try something. Okay, just say let's just try something, probably 3 questions. total number of questions 3, and then enter marks on the right questions. 2, I need 2 marks per question, or let's say 5 marks per question. Then enter minus mark on wrong answers without sign. Okay, you minus 5. Three questions, I'm going to say 5 minutes. No, 5 minutes too much. I'm going to say 3 minutes. Let's say 2 minutes. Alright, doesn't have to. Okay, so I'm going to click on submit. Okay, so this is the page where I'm going to fill in the details of the exams, of the questions. So question number 1, write questions is your name. Okay, I'm going to say who is the governor? Okay, of all right, so option 1, Emmanuel Otom. Question 2, Donald Passy. Then option 3, Erickson David. Option 4 or D, option D, let's see, for me. All right, so now what is the correct answer to this question number 1? I'm going to go for option A, which is the correct answer for me. All right, now question number 2, Lagos is located in what part of Nigeria? Lagos is west, east, south. So all right, so I'm going to go ahead and select my question, the answer, sorry, that's enter the option. Okay, for D, that I'll say say not. So what is the correct answer? I'm going to go for option A. Alright, so I'm going to say for this, say southwest. I'll say northeast, and say south, and say northwest. So my options still remain A. What is what is the full meaning of FCT? Option A, Federation Capital Territory. Federal Capital Territory. No idea. Okay, so I'm going to select the right answer for question 3, which is Federal Capital Territory. That's D. Okay, so I'm just trying to show you how to add the exams and the exam questions. Now once you're done filling all this, you just need to click on the submit button. Okay, so the demo exams is disabled, and we have just we have then the status is disabled. I'm just going to enable it here. Okay, I'm going to enable it here. Alright, so if I'm to log in, log in as a student. To log in as a student. Alright, so I've been able to take these subjects. Okay, you can see the demo exams that see that's the demo exam. So let's see how, if I can take this start exams. Who is the governor of Benue State? Emmanuel Otom. I'm going to do that, select my answer. Okay, it's located in what part of Nigeria? I'll say southwest. Log, and then I'm going to next. What is the full meaning of FCT, Federal Capital Territory? Okay. Alright, so I'm still have up to 1 minute plus my time left, so I'm going to go back and verify. Okay, answer is southwest for Lagos, and Emmanuel Otom for number option 1. Okay, it's amazing. 55 seconds left, so I'm going to finish my quiz. And are you sure you want to submit? Yes, then okay. All right, okay, so $25, which is 5 mark per question. This is my detailed analysis of what I've been able to do. Okay, so I have this. Okay, been able to answer this. Yeah, so I've answered the demo exams and I've answered the verbal reasoning exams. Please subscribe.